Moving on, monsoon has been wreaking havoc across many parts in India. In fact, in the latest updates on the Uttarakhand cloudburst incident at Silai Band on the Barkot Yamunotri road in Uttarkashi, dead bodies of 2 out of the 9 workers have been recovered. 9 workers went missing from an under-construction hotel after the cloudburst. There have been landslides at 2 places before Silai Band and a washout of the road at the place, said the Uttarkashi District Magistrate's Office. All the workers are of Nepali origin and a search to locate them has been underway since police received word of the incident around midnight. The highway is closed at many places, including Silai Band. The Chardham Yatra in Uttarakhand has been suspended for the next 24 hours. Pilgrims who have reached Rishikesh are being held there, while those who have moved further ahead are being stopped at safe locations. The district administration of Rudraprayag has issued a warning of rise in the water levels of the Alaknanda and Mandakini rivers. Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami in a tweet assured that all possible measures were being taken to search for the missing labourers. The Chief Minister also chaired a meeting on the rain and related incidents and said that he had reviewed the situation and for the next 2 months, the administration would remain in alert mode. He also assured that as soon as the weather improves, the travellers and devotees stranded on the Chardham Yatra route will be evacuated and all directions have been given to district officials to make arrangements for food, rest and accommodation. Meanwhile, Uttarakhand Disaster Management Department is organising a tabletop exercise for flood management. Mock drills on flood management are to be conducted in Udham Singh Nagar, Haridwar, Dehradun, Nainital, Champawat on the 30th of June tomorrow.
कोर्ट के पास कालीगढ़ के पास एक बड़ा लैंडस्लाइड हुआ और उसमें 29 लोग उसकी चपेट में आ गए थे जो वहाँ काम कर रहे थे। वहाँ पर बचाव दल पहुँचा और 20 लोगों को तत्काल ही वहाँ सुरक्षित निकाल लिया गया है। 2 लोगों की वहाँ पर बॉडी भी रिकवर हुई है। बचाव के काम चल रहे हैं। एनडीआरएफ, एसडीआरएफ और आपदा प्रबंधन विभाग के लोग, स्थानीय प्रशासन के लोग सब मिलकर लगातार बचाव के कार्य में वहाँ लगे हुए हैं। सभी जिलाधिकारियों को अलर्ट मोड में रहने के लिए कह दिया है। उसकी एक समीक्षा आज हम लोगों ने यहाँ से करी है, क्योंकि अगले 2 महीने लगातार अलर्ट में रहने के लिए कहा गया है। जहाँ पर आवश्यकता अनुसार जो भी काम करने की आवश्यकता करें। खराब मौसम को देखते हुए 24 घंटे के लिए अगले चारधाम यात्रा को रोक दिया है और जैसे ही मौसम ठीक होगा, जो यात्री आए, श्रद्धालु आए, उनको बाहर निकाला जाएगा। सभी की सुरक्षा हमारे लिए सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है।